Right, okay. We are with Year 9 this morning. Say hello, Year 9.
Hello.
Good, thank you. We're going to be doing angles on parallel lines, okay? Nice, quick, simple topic. But we've got to learn, as part of this, we've got to learn the 3 different angles that equate to the parallel lines, okay? First of all, we've got corresponding angles. You can see we've got the parallel lines here, and we've got a transversing line that cuts through these parallel lines. Now what we've got here, I've labelled them both X because both of these will be the same. Okay? Have you seen this before?
No.
Okay, fair enough. So both of these will cut through the line, and you can see there they will both be the same. Now, if I do this and put an angle here and an angle here, we know that angles around a point would be 360. Now, X here would be the same, a corresponding angle here, that would go across like this. Okay, so they would be the same. And that would mean that these 2 angles are the same as well. Okay? But these are our corresponding angles. This one here, this one here. The next one, we've got co-interior angles. Now, these 2 have different colours and different labels. This one is A and this one is B. They're inside the transversing line, but they're inside the parallel lines. What do you think, based on your knowledge of angles, what do you think A and B adds up to? C, no, what about in degrees? In degrees. What might A and B add up to? I'll give you a clue. All angles, okay. What if I was to do this? See, we've got a straight line here, and I've got an angle here, yeah, angle A. What if I add another angle here? What should those 2 angles, what should this add up to?
They add up to 180.
Beautiful, 180. Well, it works in exactly the same way on here, okay? The internal angles, the co-interior angles, both add up to
180.
180.
So 180 minus B or 180 minus A?
Well, these 2 are A and B add up to 180. Okay? Yeah? Because if we think back to this one, yeah, this angle here, B, yeah, is the same as this angle here. Okay? Good. So that's B, and then of course we've got A. Equals 180 degrees. Okay? When you add them together. Okay? If you have got Google Chrome on your computers, a musical interlude, has anybody got Google Chrome?
Yeah.
If you type into the search bar, you may know this, if you type in 67, and you press enter,
6, 7.
does it give you a little bit of a jiggle?
Yeah.
Did you know that?
6, 7.
Fantastic. Give it a go. But it only works in Google Chrome.
6, 7.
67.
6, 7.
Okay. Good. Happy? The final one. Alternate angles. You can see here. Y and Y. We've got a shape that looks a little bit like the letter Z if you're American. Okay? The letter Z. Now what we've got here, these alternate angles, we've got this one here and the opposite over here, they both would be the same if they were on, like we've got here, a parallel line. They are known as alternate angles. We've got corresponding angles and we have got co-interior angles. Okay, and you've now got 6, 7.
6, 7.
Happy?
No.
No?
Yes.
We're sponsored today by the wonderful Temu gadgets. Okay? Hey ho. We all love the Temu, don't we?
Yes.
Yay.
No.
We do. Right, thank you.
It's not a.
Okay, 2 problems on the board for you to solve. We need to find out what A is, and we also need to find out what X is. Based on that, how can we get to A knowing the only angle has been 110 there? How can we possibly get to that? Any ideas? Any ideas?
Wait, what?
How can I get to A? I only know that one. I've got 2 parallel lines.
Co-interior.
I'm sorry?
Co-interior.
Co-interior?
Yeah.
Talk to me.
Bottom right corner.
Bottom right corner, this one?
Yeah, 70.
70. Why is it 70?
It's co-interior. 180 minus 110.
But where are you getting 70 from?
These are triangles. So like, what?
Okay, let's put it this way. I know that that's 90.
Yeah.
You're telling me that's 70.
Sure.
Where are you getting 70 from?
It's co-interior with 110.
So, if that's 110, this is a straight line. If I put that there, you're telling me that's 70.
Yes, yeah. it is actually because Mister, and it even says not drawn to scale, but angles round a point add up to 180. So if it's like that, it's 180.
Angles on a straight line add up to 180. Angles round a point.
Mister,
add
you
up
know
to
what I
360.
mean? Mister, you know what I mean?
I do know what you mean. Yes, thank you.
Please.
Thank you for your input. Thank you. So what you're telling me now is this angle here is what?
70.
Perfect. Okay. So I've got angles in a triangle add up to. Angles in a triangle add up to.
180.
Perfect. 180 degrees.
Minus
But I've got
160.
minus
90.
160.
Yeah.
So that angle must be 20 degrees. Yeah, it's not drawn to scale, is it? I think that's going to be more than 20 degrees. Okay, so that's how I do the first one. Co-interior angles and the Z angle. Okay, now then, this one. Are you ready? Okay. This one. I've got 20 degrees here. If I've got 20 degrees here, what have I got here?
20.
Why?
Because it's
Based on one of the 3 terms we've learned. It's corresponding, is it?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. 20 degrees.
Mister, there's another way you could do it. You know, you could just do vertically opposite.
This one.
No, down,
This one.
up, one.
Well, this angle here is going to be the same as this angle here, isn't it?
Yeah, but also, if you do vertically opposite from 20 degrees,
Here.
yeah, you can find the co-interior.
It's easier if you do it like.
Okay, so yeah, that's 20 degrees.
And then-
That is that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that should be, what should this one be?
No, Mister, then you just do co-interior. It's a facile.
Okay, we'll do a core interior. But what I'm thinking is, if I've got this, I know that this line here is 180. I'm not trying to confuse people.
160.
This is 180.
Yeah.
Okay. A minus 60, minus 20. So 4x, it's still with me, 4x plus 30 equals 160. Do we agree with that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Happy? See that? Okay. Let's remove 30 from each side to get 4x on its own. 4x, so I'm going to minus 30. Yeah? Equals 130. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Divide x by 4 to get x on its own. 130 divided by 4.
32.5.
32.5.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. 32.5 degrees. Okay, so x equals 32.5 degrees. Okay, any more questions?